Hi everyone, here we are, week 5, the last week of module 1 in ESOL 033. So we have worked through the writing process over these 5 weeks, and today in class we had student-teacher conferences for your 3 resources outline, which is what you are now using to write draft number 1 of your 3 CCBC resources paragraph, okay? I'll show you an outline moving into a paragraph in just a moment, but I just want to also note that I have adjusted the due date for assignments. Now, most of you did complete these first 4 assignments in class, which is so wonderful. And that leaves you just with writing draft 1 by using your outline to create that first draft of your paragraph, okay? So I have moved the due dates to Sunday, March 2nd at noon, so in the afternoon, okay? Because I will then look at all of your first drafts on Monday, give you feedback on Monday, and then you will make your final changes to your paragraph. So that should not take too much since you've done so much work already, and you'll get those to me before class begins next week for week 6, so before next Thursday. All right, so let me go into content and learning module 1, week 5, and here you see the same list. And just be thoughtful about your work this week. If you were working in class in week 5, you completed this warm-up, got your grade for that. We talked about that, just parts of the paragraph. Here is that vocabulary list. I'd like to see at least 3 of these words in your paragraph. And if you look at these words, I have seen so many already in most of your paragraphs. I see words like benefit, ability, academic, goal, motivated. I'm seeing a lot. Obviously, you'll say resources at some point, and most likely specific. So try to use at least 3 of those. If you need definitions and help with the words, click here on this blue link. It will take you to an app that will give you the definitions, okay? All right. You have already seen my feedback for your outlines for your 3 CCBC resources paragraph. So you've completed this reflection most likely, so you already know what changes you would make to your outline before you create that paragraph here, the first draft of your paragraph for writing assignment 1. These other assignments are created. The rubric quiz is so you understand how I am going to grade your paragraph. Your rough draft will not be worth a lot of points. Your first draft, I mean. It's the second draft, the one that you will get to me before next Thursday, that's worth 100 major writing assignment points. So again, the work you're doing here this week is really helping you to create the best paragraph you can. So knowing how it's graded is helpful. Doing some work on sentence structure, this little quiz, this information here can help you a lot by noticing punctuation and capitalization and noticing if you are writing complete sentences. Check out this information to learn about that, okay? This checklist here, it's a list of questions that you should complete after you've actually written your paragraph. If you can actually say yes to all of the questions, then your paragraph is ready to submit to me. Don't just say yes to get 100. After I get your second paragraph, I will go into this checklist and change your grades if I do not agree that you actually can check off all of those items. Did you put your name and date and course and teacher at the top left? Did you double space your lines in your paragraph? Did you include all the important parts of a paragraph? All of those questions are in this checklist. So do that before you submit your paragraph right here. If you need help with understanding how to format your paper, here is an easy graphic to show you what I'm looking for. So check that out. Notice the double spacing. Here's the indent. Here's the title in the center. Use this. I want to see that pretty paragraph on your paper, okay? And let me just give you an idea. I wanted to just show you again how you are using your outline. I know this is not the same as your outline, but it's one we've worked on. CCBC helps ESOL students achieve their college goals. Notice that here is the actual paragraph we read in class. Look, your paragraph will look like this when you're done, I hope. This is between 12 and 15 sentences, double spaced, all of the important parts of the paragraph, including a really strong topic sentence. So there's the paragraph. What was done is sentences were taken right here from the outline that was created and moved right into creating a paragraph, a formatted paragraph. So if you look at this outline and this paragraph, you will notice that the sentences move in the very same order. That is how you are organizing this properly. Okay, so look and notice that, and just know that the outline you have created and we talked about in class, you are now taking the sentences from your outline and you are creating a formatted paragraph like this. Okay, I hope that's helpful. I look forward to seeing your paragraphs so that you can finalize them next week and we will move on to Module 2. Let me know if you need me. Thanks for listening.